Metaverse coins are all the buzz these days, and with a plethora of coins out there, we try to stay within what we consider the safe zone based on our research. Today, we're going to be taking a look at some of our favorite Metaverse coins: Solana, Decentraland, and Sand. With no further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get in there. Double up.
Yes, sir.
Welcome back to another show. Ladies and gentlemen, Stagnation.
Stagnation.
Okay, the one and only Stagnation. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at Solana, Decentraland, and Sand. It's your boy Brazen.
Your boy Double O. Let's go.
Hey, Double O. Let's take a look at Solana here because I think there is something very interesting going on with this coin. Okay, but let's just dive in there because I don't know how to feel. I don't know if I feel scared or if I feel okay with what is going on here. So Solana currently trading at $136. This one was running for a while and everyone was chasing
it, man. Chasing
and
it.
I feel like I only have one question for them right now. Are you guys out of breath yet?
I can't breathe because man, you're about to lose your breath right now.
Exactly. So, I mean, tell us, man, what are you seeing when you look at this one here?
Oh, man, we're in trouble. Well, I'm in trouble. You're in trouble. Everybody's in trouble because this is a falling wedge right now.
Look,
this
man,
is a falling wedge.
Definitely a falling wedge. You know, I think as we look at this one here, right, we can see that. And so here we are on the daily chart. We're going to start off with the daily chart, and then we're going to jump into the 4-hour chart as well, because I think that it provides some very interesting information. So, looking at the daily chart, okay, we can see that Solana is just sitting around that, just above that 0 Fibonacci extension point there. And we know the 0 Fibonacci is a strong support level, and the 1 Fibonacci at the top is a strong resistance level. Now, we have fallen below the 200-day moving average. The 200-day moving average is also a very strong resistance level. So what are the chances that it reverses above that 200-day moving average right away? Not very. I won't bet on that, right? The 20-day moving average is also falling, right? Approaching the 200-day moving average, as well as the 50-day moving average now crossing over that 100-day moving average there. So the 100-day is teal, and the 50-day is the orange line. That is all bearish. Double up.
Super bearish. You've said everything there, man. If you look at the TTM wants to squeeze up. But the moving averages are telling you something different, and the RSI is telling you something different. You know, and then we just want to quickly show you guys some charts here that kind of explain what we're talking about. So when you invest, or if you're trading or you want to buy something, right, you want to look at the chart to see where the market is going. And right now we have a bearish pattern. We just explained that to you. So this is what you call a bearish pattern right here. It's a descending triangle, and at this point, if it does not hold the current support level, we are in trouble. It's coming down.
Absolutely.
Do you want to draw some serious lines here?
Actually, I am going to. Yes, I'll say let's add some support and resistance lines, right? Yes, and I'm going to start off with the daily chart and then move on to the 4-hour chart for Solana in this case. So we can see that obviously we have this support level here right at the 1 Fibonacci level. That is $130. Now, if that was to drop further down from there, I don't feel confident saying that, saying that we have a support level here at, let's see, what do we have there? $108, because it just seemed like it was passing through.
Yeah, passing
Same thing with $94, that $94 price range. It seems like it was just passing through as well. Yeah. Maybe.
Yeah, we got some action over there.
Right, so there's some action over there. He held there for a while. I don't think it's a very strong support level, but definitely around 70 or between that $70 to $79 price level.
Yeah,
so I'm gonna add, right. So I'm gonna add a support line there.
Yeah.
Anything below that, I mean, we're pretty much rolling down into double digits, right? No longer into it. So now let's move over to the 4-hour chart, because I think things get very interesting once we get over here. I'm just going to explain that. So if we're looking from, let's see, back from about December 28th, right, we can see that Solana has been in a continuous downtrend,
Mm,
right? So
mm.
lower highs every time, right?
Yep.
Now let's zoom further in. If you look further in here with Solana, one thing you will notice is that we had this drop that happened after this massive drop from January, early January, right? We were kind of in I guess what we'll call a it created a support there
Yeah. Yeah.
around. I mean, if you look on the daily chart, this is probably that
Yeah.
one Fibonacci, the
Yeah.
zero
Draw it there.
Fibonacci.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry,
Go ahead and draw a line there.
right? So we'll add a line. Let's
Yeah.
say,
So around there.
should we go all the way to the bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
Yeah. That's
that's
fine. Yeah. Put it there. Yeah.
so.
Let's go.
Let's say we drop that there.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, so we have that support level there. It's going to be, and this is you have to give it a bit of a plus minus, right? It can be around between 130 to about 129.
Yeah.
So there is that. Then we had this sideways move, which was happening within that time period. So let's say from here to about maybe somewhere there, right? Now, thereafter, it broke out above that channel, that sideways channel was going through.
That had bounced, baby.
Right, and it approached the one Fibonacci, which is very strong resistance, and it bounced back from that.
Yep.
From that point onward, we've been continuously seeing lower highs. So every time it tries to break above, the highest point keeps dropping, and we'll see a lower high somewhere around there, and we see it. I'll consider that maybe a lower high as well, and somewhere there as well. Now. This also linking with that channel, the chart which you showed there. I believe that was a falling. Was it a falling wedge?
Yes, sir. Descending triangle.
Descending triangle, right?
Sir.
So from this point, I cannot really say that this is going to be pushing up.
Hey, descending triangle tells us it goes down, unless some dramatic news comes out. Legislators are like, "Yeah, we love you guys with the crypto world. We're just going to tax you guys, and life is good." Then we might see some movement back upward.
Hey, that would be a dream world right there, man. Because then there's going to be clarity on how we can really approach this crypto situation. So I guess we'll be watching to see if that creates a higher high. I mean, really, we'll have to see it break above 141, and most importantly, break above 150 to say we have some sort of a positive trend. But if we see another higher low or a lower high in this case, then we'll probably keep moving to the downside.
Can I also add that everything follows Bitcoin? So if Bitcoin trends continues downward, expect to see that next.
This is true.
Level.
And that's an interesting thing, because there is a period of time, I believe there's a period of time where Bitcoin's moving up, but the altcoins are not. So
yeah.
I don't know. We'll see if that turns out to be the case here. Now, moving on to Mana. Right, and we're gonna pull it back to the daily chart, which there seems to be some similarities between this one and Sand as we go forward. But Mana currently trading at $2.79, right? We're still above the 200-day moving average. However, we have just dropped below that 100-day moving average, and the possibilities of just suddenly reversing back above that 100-day moving average, I will not say is very high. Double O.
Oh my goodness. So the 20 and the 50-day just crossed, right?
Right.
That is the beginnings of a bearish market. And that is not good for the central end.
Right.
That I have to say. That's coming out the gate. And now everything is starting to change. And you have, guess what? What do we have there now? What's that pattern?
This is the default. Is that Oh snap!
You want to zoom in and show them that real quick?
The three black crows. The three black crows are happening.
Yes.
Oh man, it's interesting because actually, when we actually did our prep for the show, I saw this on the 4-hour chart, but I do not see this on the daily chart until just right now. So
the 4-hour is a prelude to what's going to happen on the daily chart, which is why we always go back and zoom into the 4 hours.
Right. Oh man, I mean, if you know the three black crows is when you see three red candles, generally three massive red candles, one after the other, right? And generally when this happens, man, all bets are off. We're going down, right?
We're going down, baby.
Going down.
Yeah.
And we've seen this on Bitcoin, we've seen this on stocks, we've seen this everywhere. So, I mean, Mana was another one of those ones that everyone was chasing. I did, the interesting thing actually, I did not hold any Mana because I was impatient at the beginning and I sold, and then things ran up. And hey, look, I think I'm gonna have an opportunity to get into Mana again.
Hey man, let's go ahead and draw some support lines, man. This is life
Exactly.
lessons number one when you when you're investing. If you miss the opportunity, just chill, don't chase. You get another opportunity in the near future.
Absolutely. I think, I mean, look at Bitcoin, for example. Who would have imagined that Bitcoin would be at 40 something K right now? We were at
Oof.
60 not too long ago, right?
Somebody's gonna be pissed when they see this support level.
Yes. So, I mean, there is no support there. I mean, it's cool when you have these massive runs, but the downside to this is that when you have a run like this, no breaks, right? When it has to come back down, then there is no support, right? You will find
Yeah.
out your next support is
Yeah,
going
yeah.
to
You
be.
might want to zoom out a little bit. There's actually another all-time high. Yeah, that right
You're
there.
right about that. Let's see.
Yeah.
So, if we go all the way here, we can see that we have a.
By the way, if you're watching this show and you bought Mana at the highs, you might just, this is not financial advice. You might want a dollar cost average. These are all great metaverse coins. The only issue is that we're in the bear market. That's why the prices are lower. Again, life lessons don't chase, wait for another opportunity. And these are opportunities for those that did not chase for them to get back in.
Absolutely. I would agree with that. So we have some support levels there at about $2.49, $1.60, and $1 and about 7 cents, if you will. Right. So very interesting one. We'll just glance at the 4-hour chart to see if there's anything interesting going on there, and then we'll be moving on to Sand, which is our final one.
Now, 4 hours is telling us some hella trouble is going on.
It looks rough, that's for sure. Yeah, very volatile, of course. Everything is pointing down. The 100-day, I mean, all the moving averages are below the 200-day moving average. So this has a lot of work to do just to turn back around.
Yes, sir.
The 4-hour chart. Well, moving on then. Sand.
In the sand, baby. In the sand. We're going swimming in the sand.
Absolutely.
Have you ever tried swimming in the sand before?
Not yet, sir. But one of these days I might, man, because I think it's time to go to Dubai, man. I got my wings now.
Stop.
I got my wings now, so we might have to go to Dubai, man, and get it done.
Well, this tells you that swimming in the sand is terrible, though.
Sinking. Quicksand. Now, here's the thing. Sand, as you can see, the moving averages are just straight up in drive, heading down. You know what I mean? No breaks there. We did fall below that 0 Fibonacci extension line there. And ever since dropping below that 0 Fibonacci extension line there, here's on the 4-hour chart, by the way, we've been continuously moving down. I mean, we see a 3 black crow situation. I would say 1, 2, 3,
boom,
right?
Showed you again, boom, boom,
and just kept going. Right. Once we've seen this happened to us on, I think my first experience with the 3 black crows was the trade which we were doing on NIO. The day that our lives were almost ended by what's his name again?
Andrew Left. Yeah.
So, but it seems to be trying to hold at this point. But as we saw last time this happened, it did not keep holding. And sorry to go back to Mana here.
Mana, yeah.
So I want to point out this because we see a similar pattern forming out on Mana as well on the 4-hour chart.
Yes, sir.
Right? It seems like it's trying to stop right now. We know that it's sitting. Let's see. Let me reverse this real quick because this will be incorrect if I carry on. Okay, so we can see that Mana dropped below the 0 Fibonacci right now, and that is usually signs of massive weakness. And so if this should turn around, right, the current green candle we're looking at, if that should turn around, I believe we're going to be seeing the same pattern which we're seeing here on Sand as well. Double up.
Hey, it's been a wonderful show, bro. Metaverse is here to stay. There's a lot of coins out there. We've just picked these 3 because we think that these 3 are the safe ones that will be here for a while, be around for a longer time. So yeah, This is what's going on, man. Again, life lessons: don't chase, wait for another opportunity. And I think this is some great opportunity to dollar cost average if you're in it right now, or to buy cheaper if you're just getting into the space.
Absolutely. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have 3 Black Crows in our future. That's all I'm going to say.
Oh no!
Until next time, please follow us on Facebook. We are StackFin on Facebook, Stack Crypto on Instagram. We're definitely on Twitter as well, StackFin. We like responding to Peter Schiff because he thinks Bitcoin is going to zero. This is one of the most interesting people on earth to me right now, if you ask me. Please do not forget to like the video, share the video, and most importantly, subscribe.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we've actually been gaining quite some good subscribers recently. I mean, our numbers
Some love from you guys.
Yeah, I mean, it's been beautiful, man, and we will not be able to keep doing this, man, if we do not, see the support from you guys, and just know that we're able to do this and provide value to someone. So did you see the message from the guy from India where he said that he was following our videos and he was actually able to make some profits and buy himself a car?
Woo!
Yeah,
Watching, folks.
that one touched me in the soul. Well,
Yeah.
with no further ado, ladies and gentlemen, Brazen out.
Double O out.
All right.